Hello and welcome to my channel. Now you probably don't know me, but so how to make your phone run faster. First of all, you want to delete all apps that you are not using, or if your phone has, okay, I'm gonna show you guys. You get apps. If your phone has, for example, apps like this that they come already in the phone. For example, this app I'm not gonna use, so I would probably disable it. This app I'm not gonna use, so that's why it's disabled. You want to disable apps that you are not using. For example, let's say I don't want to use calculator. I don't use the app. You disable app. You know, that frees up RAM. Another thing that you can do is clean your cache, which is you go to storage in your phone, wherever it is, and then you would delete it. And third is just master reset the whole phone, and that's about it. So those are my 3 tips on how to make the phone run faster. And yeah.